We're Karin and Jeremy, an average couple with average...
I'm Karin.
And I'm Jeremy.
And this is Chips and Trips, where we go on trips and we eat chips. We are in Japan, and we are trying chips that we found at convenience stores in Japan.
They have somewhat limited selection, so if you don't see things that are super popular, that's probably why.
First up, we've got these. Other than the brand name of Calbee, we have no idea what these are. Also, it looks like the person is having the best time.
The expectations are set high.
Yes. Okay. Smells like a potato.
Yeah, they got that typical fried smell.
They really do. It's very, oily.
Oily, thin straw sticks.
Yeah, it's not the texture of a veggie straw. It just looks like a hard...
Stick.
Shall we?
Yeah.
That's quite crunchy.
I mostly just get kind of the oil flavor.
There's not a whole lot of potato. It's a lot of just oiliness. What would you rate these?
Probably like a 2.
You know what? I think you're right. That's kind of sad. These looked so fun.
Yeah, they look fun.
All right.
Just average.
Yeah.
Not below average.
Yeah, I think 2 is fair. All right, let's move on to the next chip.
We interrupt this Chips and Trips episode for a special feature of Kit Kat Taste Test.
We have 16 flavors, so let's get going.
Our first one is Tokyo Banana.
Tokyo Banana is a popular treat in Japan, kind of like a banana-flavored Twinkie. That's really good. Very chocolate, very banana. That's a good one.
You get punched with some banana there.
Next up, peach. Looks like a white chocolate Kit Kat. Whoa, that's very peach, and it comes through the nose.
It's refreshing. Never would thought it would say that about a Kit Kat. Next up, milk tea. Definitely the tea flavor, but
It's got a little tea, but it's mostly white chocolate that I'm getting.
I'm getting a lot of floral at the end.
It's okay, not my favorite.
Nope, not my favorite either.
Now we have whole grain biscuit flavor. Another, it looks like white chocolate base.
Pretty subtle.
Weird. It's like eating a cracker coated in white chocolate.
You do kind of get that whole grainy flavor.
Yeah, it's like a wheat cracker.
Next we have matcha.
We already know we're not the biggest fans of matcha, so this will be interesting.
Yeah.
Tastes like matcha.
A little grassy.
Not too bitter because it has white chocolate. So
It's saved by white chocolate.
it's a palatable matcha. It's okay.
Again, not my favorite.
Yeah, not my favorite. Next up, we have Shima Lemon. Yet another white chocolate flavor.
Oh.
It's a little bit tart. It's very lemon. It comes through the nose. You don't smell it too much, but it really comes through the nose.
And if you're from the US, it tastes a lot like the lemon inside a Girl Scout cookie. That's one of my favorites so far.
Yeah, you're big into lemon.
Next up, ume sake. White chocolate, again. The best type of chocolate to add flavoring to, I guess.
The worst type of chocolate for me. It's not real chocolate. You get that alcohol sensation.
It's also kind of like fruity.
It's like peach/melon.
This is so complex.
It is the most complex Kit Kat ever.
I'm just getting like a whole bunch of different flavors coming at different times.
It just keeps coming. It's pretty good, actually.
I really like that one.
Next up, strawberry cheesecake. Another white chocolate. Where are the regular Kit Kats? I don't like it. This one's
Yeah.
not for me.
I wouldn't say it really tastes like what it says it is.
I think there is definitely like cheesecake undertones.
It's like the cheesecake flavor they tried to go for isn't a great flavor.
True. And very artificial strawberry.
Yeah.
Pass.
Next up, it's a fun one, wasabi.
Ooh, I'm a little nervous for this.
Nope.
Oh.
It's very savory in its flavor, and that's not good for a Kit Kat. You do definitely get the wasabi flavor.
Oh.
It's not spicy, I wouldn't say.
Ooh, there's an afterburn. It's like a horseradishy
Yeah.
wasabi
Yep.
kick.
Yep.
Oh, it's
Yep.
clearing out my throat.
That's gonna need a palate cleanser.
Oh, no.
Fun to try, not fun to eat.
Hopefully this will help. This is melon flavor. And it's another white chocolate.
I have a feeling that 90% of them are gonna be white chocolate. Man, these fruit flavored ones,
Pretty good. It's like eating a cantaloupe.
you really get like the taste or the smell just instantly of like the melon, the peach, the Tokyo banana. That's pretty good.
It's pretty good. I wish it was in the form of ice cream or actual melon.
Okay, our next one is Azuki and strawberry, basically red bean and strawberry. Red bean paste, maybe.
We're not the biggest fans of red bean paste, so we'll see how this one goes.
Oh, nope.
I mean, it's a flavor I'm used to.
Right, we know what it tastes like.
It's not my favorite, though.
I definitely have the aftertaste of bean.
Yes, for sure. Certainly better than wasabi, but
Yep.
not my favorite. Next up, we've got Kit Kat Gold. And that's all we know about it. This has chocolate on the bottom and white chocolate on top.
What is that? It's like buttery or something.
Yeah, it's like a buttery, biscuity flavor.
I don't know what to say that was, but it was pretty good.
It was decent.
I'd take a regular Kit Kat over it, maybe.
Yeah, it was fun.
Next, we have a Zuki sandwich. So basically just a red bean paste sandwich.
Nope, that's a no.
Yeah.
It's worse than the other one.
I don't know why, but I also feel like I have the texture of bean in my mouth, and it's just not
I know.
not satisfying.
I feel the exact same way. Only a few left. Next up, Sugar Butter Tree. Another white chocolate flavor. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like sugar and butter in like a waffle.
Maybe. I was almost getting like s'more vibes, like graham cracker.
It's okay.
We're at the penultimate Kit Kat. It's apple.
Whoa. How do they make it so fruity?
I don't know.
It's like bam, right in your
Boom,
nose.
apple.
Tastes like an apple gummy bear.
Tasted pretty fresh to me.
It was good. Our final flavor, orange chocolate. That is the best one. I stand by it. It's like, you know those oranges, the chocolate oranges that you smash against the wall and they like unfurl into pieces of chocolate? It's exactly like that,
Yep.
but with a crispy wafer.
It's the typical orange chocolate flavor.
Yes, and it is delicious. It's like a dark chocolate with a bright citrus orange. That is my favorite. What's your favorite?
I think the lemon was my favorite.
That makes sense. You always love lemon and
Yep.
you like white chocolate.
Yep.
Now we are returning to our previously scheduled chips and trips.
These are 7-Eleven brand, it looks like.
Grilled corn flavored snacks. Gosh.
Sniff test.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. What? That's so confusing.
Smells like a donut or something.
You know, it kind of smells like roasted corn from the state fair. That's kind of what I'm getting. Oh my gosh.
Interesting shape. They're very like,
They're huge and layered.
yeah, like but open layered. Like there's some holes in there.
They're like ogres, because ogres have layers. It kind of has the texture of a bugle.
Did you just get blasted with corn? Mm-hmm. So in the end, it tastes like a bugle for the most part.
Yes, it tastes like a bugle.
But right at the beginning, there was like a pop of like fresh corn on the cob.
Roasted fresh corn on the cob.
Like for about a split second.
Yes. These are like bugles, but if bugles were sweet. It smells like a funnel cake. That's what it smells like.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Funnel cake is not made with corn, for the record. But it smells like funnel cake.
Yeah.
What would you rate this?
I mean, I really like them. I might give them a 4 out of 5.
We might have to disagree.
Oh,
on
really?
This one. Yeah. I think they're only a 3 for me. These are not my thing. Last chips. Calbee is the brand. I also see Splatoon.
Not too much to give away the flavor though.
There are little squids on the back side of this bag.
Let's hope that's for Splatoon.
Ooh. Whoa. What on earth?
Wow, that's very complex.
Yeah,
What I
I
would
will
say.
say. It's very savory.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check it out. It looks like a standard Lay's potato chip.
Yes, nice thinness.
Here we go. They're not bad.
Yeah, they are pretty good. Any guesses as to what the flavor is?
I honestly have no idea.
I did use Google Translate on these.
Oh, you're cheating. It mostly just tastes like a potato chip with a hint of light seasoning to it.
Mm-hmm.
There's almost a meaty element to it.
Yeah,
Chickeny almost.
sure.
What is the
So
flavor?
according to Google Translate, it's consommé.
Yeah, there's like a vegetableness, like an undertone of herbiness. I would rate these a 4.
I think I'd agree.
They're above average. They have good seasoning. They don't taste weird. They're pretty darn good. These are the ones you should definitely be buying.
Unless you like grilled corn.
That's another episode of Chips and Trips. We will see you in the next one.
That's not making it in the cut.
Are you gonna say it?
You can say it, or you want me to say it?
You can say it.
Are you
Why
gonna
do I
your,
feel
Are you gonna do your
so?
sound again?
Why do I feel so awkward?
This is why we need blinds. It's so dumb. Let me just say the
water.
phrase a few times. We interrupt this Chips and Trips episode. We're off to a good start. You gonna survive?
This is gonna go so well.
Yeah.
Some of those were horrible.